I've had some students ask me about working a gauge. Now what you're going to do is you're going to try to match the gauge in your pattern. In this pattern it calls for 12 single crochets with a size J hook to equal 4 inches, and obviously that's too much, that's too long, it's over an inch or almost an inch too long. So instead of trying to change my tension to match that gauge, I'm just going to go down to a size I hook. So it's supposed to be 12 single crochets, so I've worked up 13 chains, and I'm going to skip that first chain and then work 12 single crochets. Now sometimes you want to make sure that your size of your hook matches what the pattern calls for. It will be a letter, it will be a number, or it will be millimeter. I like to check that millimeter because some brands have a different sizing than others. So if it's a J 6 millimeter, then you make sure that you have 6 millimeters. This particular I hook is 5.5 millimeters, but I have another I hook that is 5.25, so pay attention to your millimeters. Now I've finished my 12 stitches, and I'm going to lay that down. I'm not stretching it out. I'm going to uncurl that a little bit, but I'm just going to lay it flat and see I've already reached 4 inches with my 12 single crochets.